Hey, good afternoon, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. I want to do a quick video walkthrough on this Chaparral 2.3 SSI, year model 2022. Guys, let me just start before we get much further and just tell you how clean this boat is. It shows extremely well. It's been kept undercover, under the mooring covers, which it has, cockpit covers and bow covers, and then it's also stored inside. When I spin around, I'll show you the building. It is equipped with the sport arch. That is collapsible if your dry storage slip is limited or you need to get under some bridges. You rock the lever forward and it'll rotate down towards the glass on the windshield. This bimini top is also removable if you just wanted the arch up and no sun protection. Just showing you the metals here. Powder coating's in good shape. It does have a tow bed up top on the arch where water sports activities can be linked there. Chaparral emblem. 3-tone upholstery, no rips, tears. Cushions are all great. Scroll down. I've got snap-in SeaDeck in the cockpit and then glue down on the exterior or on the swim platform. You can see getting on and off the boat is easy through this. The wing cushions that fold up, and that hatch is battery selector switch, and then you've got fiberglass non-skid all the way down. When you get on board the boat, you've got a filler cushion that goes in and turns this whole area into a C-shaped seating arrangement. Storage underneath on both these compartments. Compartments are clean. And that center one is a cooler. It's insulated. You can plug it, ice it, keep your drinks in there. Underneath this compartment is a 12-volt air pump for blowing up your tubes and anything that you want to get on the water. And then this whole area, these cushions are in great shape. Take a minute here and just show you the condition. And then this hatch opens up and you've got additional storage. Our family generally throws our beach chairs and that kind of stuff if we're going to hang out at the sandbar, but your bags, any of that you don't need at the tips of your finger can be stored back here while you're underway. Coming up to the helm area, got a nice Simrad multifunction display. It does have the sounder. You got digital tachometer and speedometer and the Yamaha controls. Boat's equipped with the 200 horsepower Yamaha. If you can see it in the screen here, it's 62.4 hours, and it does have a through-hole transducer that gives that Simrad multifunction display a depth reading. Rated at 13 people. Flip-up bolsters, both the captain's chair and the helm's chair, and upholstery on both of these are in really good shape. Index storage here. I've got the mooring covers folded up and put in there, but you can put a wakeboard, that kind of stuff in there. It's got good depth once you open it up. Glove box over here for storage, and then storage in the console. Got some life jackets and that kind of stuff over here. Throw cushion, additional life jackets stored here, but anything you can think of, there's a place to store it on this boat for the most part. Upholstery up on the bow is just like the rest of the upholstery throughout. No rips or tears, no sun damage, UV damage on it. It is in very good shape. Got a designated storage locker for your anchor up on the bow. This boat has docking lights on either side. It's got some LEDs on the speakers as well, so you can light up at night along with your courtesy lights. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions about the boat, please reach me on my cell phone at 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Thank you for taking the time to look at this boat. It is extremely clean. If you're looking for a bow rider, outboard bow rider, this is the boat. It is kept inside. I mentioned to you that I would spin around and show you inside storage. This is where the boat's kept, in that cover, and it's kept undercover inside the building. So again, extremely clean, well cared for boat. Give us a shout. Andy Farmer, MarineMax, 910-264-4818. 4818. Thanks.